Hi, hello everyone. My name is Giovanni P. Lapay. I'm your teacher in Media and Information Literacy for this whole semester. I am also a Master Teacher 1 in Agusan del Sur National High School. I graduated uh, Bachelor of Secondary Education at Bohol Island State University, and according to my transcript of record, I also graduated Master in Educational Management at Filipino University, and also Master in Information Systems at University of the Philippines. So I will be handling you for this whole semester regarding the media information literacy. Today, I will give you an overview of our whole subject, especially on the week 1. The activities in week 1, how to submit this, and also the mechanics of those activities. So please listen very carefully on how to do it. I will show it to you using palms. So this is it, guys. These are dashboard for our section, media and information literacy. The overview. So I know you get to read some of this information about our subject. Now, how to learn from this course? You have to be very diligent in following these advices. No, take your time reading the lessons carefully. Since you are now a grade 12, practice some independent learning. You know, following directions. No instruction. Following directions is very important also, especially that we are not using face-to-face method of education this time. And of course, answer all the given activities and exercise. All the given activities and exercise is not made by me itself. No, it is given by DepEd for our subject. All the grade 12 students should or must comply these activities in order to complete the whole subject. In order to pass the subject, what are the activities that is presented here should be submitted. So we have also our culminating outcome. We have also done this before in the previous classes, so the last year graduates, even in STEM and ABM and also in TLA, they have submitted this one. Although we are going to discuss this later, um, maybe before the semester ends. We will have a whole topic regarding this project. This course is designated such that activities can be done remotely and online. So, just for a tip or a hint to you, you don't need to be always online in this subject. No? In Mondays you can screenshot all the activity and write it and answer it during Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you can submit it. You can go online again on Friday and just submit the activity. So it is not really need you don't need always to be online. It is not money consuming in loading your Wi-Fi, you're loading your internet. It is not expensive, and also this pumps system that we are using is a light version. It doesn't need much internet to enter the pumps. Okay, we have here the first general news and announcement. Every now and then uh, check this forum because I will be posting some announcement for you. And the second one, questions, clarifications, and technical concerns. If we have some concerns, okay, do not raise it in the Messenger JC anymore. I will not be always online. I will not always be with you at the Facebook Messenger. I would suggest that you are going to use our chat box for your queries so that also your classmate will be informed of your questions. Next, self-introduction. Self-introduction, I know some of you have already submitted this one, so you have to worry. And this is not graded anyway. This is just for me to know what are your thoughts and how you describe yourself. Then we have the pretest. The pretest will be open um, as long as our class starts. Now, be careful with this pretest because this pretest will cover only 10 or 15 minutes of your time. You should finish this all the questions in that given time, or else if you have not finished the questions, answering these questions, example 10 minutes, and you have not answered, you exceed 10 minutes, your answer will be automatically be submitted. So just be on time and have your time management. Don't worry, this is only pretest. It will measure it will measure your previous knowledge regarding the MIL or the media information literacy. Next one, your activity one. What's new? Let me click this one. What's new? You are being required to make a chart or a table. Anyway, just follow the instructions there. So if you have some questions, you can list it in our group chat here and Palms, not in Facebook Messenger, of course. Facebook Messenger will only be used for some reminders, but I think it is not really necessary for my subject. Uh, you're just going to make a table and answer this one according to the picture. For activity number, this is very simple. For activity number 2, also don't forget the division of terms. You can click here for our glossary, unlocking of difficulties, just in case. For activity 2A, again, you are going to make a table about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only five answers only. It will not take much of your time answering these 5 questions. Just read carefully and understand the directions so that you will be graded accordingly. Okay, there is also an instruction here. Next, for our next activity, the activity 2B. Um, Again, you have to make a table, but this time, it is not only a table, but a video presentation, a film show, a very short film show. The final edited video will run from 2 to 5 minutes only. The instructions are there. This is just very simple. No? 2 to 5 minutes, and please don't make your video exceed in 250 MB. The palms will just receive your file um, if it did not exceed 250 MB or the megabytes. So video format, any video format, the palms will receive it, will identify it. Topic for discussions, any training topic that you want. Example, school amidst pandemic, social distancing, facial barriers, rapid test, swab test, anything. Your political views, don't worry. Uh, you can discuss it inside your video. Yes, you have also the rubrics. I have rubrics given here, so you will be guided. Okay. Next activity. Now for our lesson 2, the media, society, culture, and you. We have activity 3, ads analysis. We have 2 ads here, the poster A, Pepsi Cola, and the poster B, Coca-Cola. And you're going to give me just 5 description of its poster. No, the student will add a discussion and post below the complete this activity. In order to answer this activity, it's just very simple. Just like how you answered the self-introduction. Kung paano kayo nagsagot dun sa self-introduction, just like this one. Only I need 5 description of its poster. So all in all, it will be 10 description. 5 description for this one, and also 5 description for this one. Okay. So next for our next activity, is what is it? What is it? What is it is just a small topic. The principles of persuasion. Just read this one because you will be needing this information on our next activity, which is the activity 4. Activity 4, I have presented her a YouTube video. You may see it in YouTube or you may see it here inside our palms. And answer after that, after watching the video, answer directly these 3 questions. Simple. And limit your answers in 300 words. Of course, you are 4 sections in me. Uh, then it will be I will find it very difficult for me to answer, to read all your answers. So every number you can give 100 words, but it doesn't really have 100. But I'm requiring you to give me a 300 words for these 3 answers. Okay. Next, the activity number 5. The activity number 5 is about what can I do. Okay. This is a more improvised type of activity. You're going to answer this one to these 4 questions in an easy way. But this time you are not going to write it in essay, but you have to explain it to me, uh, making a self video, and the video will run time must not exceed 1 minute. So, wag din nang masyadong pataasin yung video. Enough na masagot niyo itong 4 na mga tanong, then you can submit the video right away. No, you don't have to be to expound it. No, I just need 4 answers. Okay, let's go back. You may notice some checkbox here, mark checkbox on the right side of your dashboard. The checkbox will be automatically be marked check as long as you completed this activity. So pag hindi pa yan na-mark na check dyan, it means you have not yet completed the required activity here in the left side. Okay, so by the way, I am planning to put a chat session, sir, maybe this Tuesday or Wednesday, for us to have a chat. I require everyone to be online at that time so that you can raise your questions, encounter regarding answering this week 1 activities. Of course, we are still in week 1. First time using the palms. Sometimes you will find or you will encounter some problems, technical difficulties. Just raise it in our chat sessions. Please, not an FB Messenger. Do not force me to answer an FB Messenger. We have our chat sessions here. We have our chat box here. You can put it. You can even private message me here and Palm. So, and this new normal, please utilize our palms, our school very own palms. No, uh, this is very important for our self-education. I think it is all for today in our first week topics. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will find these palms. You will get familiarized in palms. Not much in a very much long time. No, I want you to familiar the learning this learning management system because we are going to use this in the whole semester. Maybe in the next semester we don't know when this pandemic will end. But I'm encouraging you to please familiarize the LMS because some of the college or the state university are using this LMS right now. This kind of LMS. And familiarizing this one will prepare you for your future in your college to answer online learning, distance learning arrangement. Thank you and keep safe, everyone. Bye. See you on the chat sessions.